Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Lavanya Lily. Hope you guys are doing great, being awesome, and staying productive. So, if you're new here, please do subscribe to my channel. So, this video is about my Sikkim part 2. There's also Sikkim part 1. If you guys haven't watched my video, please do watch the previous video of this, which is mostly in Gangtok. This video is about the Sikkim part 2, what all I've seen, which is Lachin, Laching and Yamtung Valley, what Trilophilia trip people had given in the itinerary. I'll be explaining what I did and also the important places and the best places to visit in Sikkim. Firstly, it's Somgo Lake, which is a very beautiful glacier lake, and it is the India's largest altitude lake. And Somgo Lake is also called as the source of water. So this is the first beautiful destination which you can visit from Gangtok, which is around 40 kilometers. You can start early in the morning so that you won't be late. And the second one is Natula Pass, which is a very important point of Sikkim. So most it connects the India and Tibet. And it creates the amalgamation between the Indian and Tibetan culture around this place. So Natula Pass is also the most important place to visit from Gangtok in Sikkim. And then for all the adventure lovers, the Kanchenjunga base camp. That's a trek where you can see the K2 Kanchenjunga peak and followed by the adventure activities. And then there's Pilling. Pilling also, it's more of monasteries. And it also has many trekking spots. So you can also plan Pelling. And then Gurudonmag Lake. Gurudonmag Lake is also a very beautiful lake, and it's the frozen lake it's covered with heavy snow, and it's the best. All these places are the best to visit compulsory in Sikkim when you're planning. Coming to reality, unfortunately, I couldn't see any of these places, but everything was mentioned in itinerary. I don't know Trilophilia. I'm never gonna book in Trilophilia. I'm telling it open because it was not so proper. Nothing was planned. What they had given an itinerary. We are not been taken to any of these places, being the most important places of Sikkim. So Lachin was closed due to heavy snowfall. It's not their mistake also. Since the previous day, since there was a very heavy snowfall, all the tourists got stuck in Lachin, and the army people had to rescue them through the helicopter rides. But luckily we could make it to Lachang. The next day we experienced snow, which is very beautiful. Though we couldn't make it to all the tourist points, we had a good experience and good playtime in snow nearby Lachang, near our hotel stay, where I'll be showing in my video. So these are the points, and the best time to visit Sikkim is Jan to March. And if you want to see orchid flowers, it's like April to May. So it's a peaceful time and it's a perfect destination. I would totally suggest just Sikkim, Lachang, Yamtung Valley, and Gurudonmag Lake, the frozen lake, and Natula Pass. Hope you all get to see all these places and have super duper fun. So let's go to the video.
Girl, and it only took a couple weeks. Remember when you said that you wanted to get
Then Valley, bye bye.
Bye bye. Look.
This is Beam Nala Waterfalls. That's it. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please do like it. And if you want to share with your friends or family or relatives, please do share my video. And also, you can comment below any suggestions or how to make more creative videos. Keep supporting. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Have a great day.